Hi, and welcome to Weird Question Wednesday with Safewise. I'm Katie, and today's question comes to us from Diane on YouTube. Diane wants to know, if my neighbor has radon, do I have it too? First off, what is radon and why is it so dangerous? Radon is a radioactive gas caused by decaying uranium and thorium. The gas usually escapes to the atmosphere, but it becomes a problem when it's trapped in our homes. According to the EPA,
radon exposure is the leading cause of lung cancer among non-smokers. Out of 21,000 lives radon claims every year, an estimated 2,900 have never smoked. That's almost 14%.
Yikes. So we can see why you'd be concerned, Diane, but thankfully radon isn't contagious. The answer is in the walls. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to Safewise for more Weird Question Wednesdays. And if you have a weird question yourself, find us on social media like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to ask your own weird questions. If your neighbor has radon, it means that the gas is getting into their home through cracks in the foundation or basement. Really, radon is more of a structural problem, and that's why you might see levels varying from house to house in the same neighborhood. It all depends on how strong your foundation and your basement is. That said, if your neighborhood is sitting on a radon deposit, we definitely recommend checking it out. While you and your neighbors thankfully aren't in immediate danger, long-term radon exposure is pretty dangerous. So here's our recommendation. First, start with a cheap, short-term test to get an idea of the radon levels in your home. You can find these tests for around $15, and they can range as long as 48 to 96 hours. These little kits come with small radon tests that you stick in your basement or the lowest level of your house. They collect air particles, and then you send those tests into the lab for analysis. If radon levels in your home are 2 picocuries or above, we recommend calling the pros. Check with the National Radon Safety Board or National Radon Proficiency Program for more information. They can hook you up with a professional in your area. And after all is said and done, and you've had repairs from a professional and still don't feel okay, that's all right. You can find radon detectors that act a lot like smoke or carbon monoxide alarms. When they detect dangerous levels of radon in your basement or the lowest level of your house, they'll beep or send an alert to you. We have a link in the description below of our favorite radon detectors. We hope that helps, Diane. Thanks for your question, and we hope you and your neighbors stay safe. Do you have a weird question too? Drop it in the comments below, or you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. You can ask your weird question there. You might be featured on an upcoming Weird Question Wednesday. But for now, stay safe.